In today's fast-moving world, manufacturing and production are the true drivers of growth. The better, the leaner, and the smarter you make your factory, the more likely you'll succeed in the market. So what leaders, production managers, and COOs nowadays turn to are strategic ways to becoming better, faster, leaner, putting their focus on concepts like mass customization, batch size 1, real-time automation and control, or total process visibility. This newly developing strategic mindset completely reframes manufacturing and leads to a smart breed of new factories. We call them smart factories. Smart factories are future drivers for profitable growth. They represent manufacturing environments where time is money and lean is the currency. Flexible production lines ready to mass customize even the most complex single product. Places where smart logistics enable agile production in a fraction of the time at a slice of the cost. It is here where Bossard's smart factory logistics makes the difference. From our pioneering roots as the creators of Smart Bin and Smart Label, our smart factory logistics methodology has helped organizations in almost any vertical and almost any industry around the world to evolve from a lean and flawless execution to a more agile and strategic way of smart manufacturing. We share a 3-step methodology in strategic workshops. Led by Bossard's senior experts, you'll embrace new concepts of strategic inventory management, big data, cyber-physical systems, and Industry 4.0. You'll have the unique opportunity to look under the hood of best practice cases from our broad range of successful manufacturing clients. On the cost side, you'll see how many leaders have produced 20 to 40% savings. On the revenue side, you'll discover fresh ideas for positioning your factory for profitable growth. With our Smart Factory Logistics methodology, we want you to become the best possible factory you can be. We want you to set sail so you can extend your lead in the market and position your company, your brand, and your products ahead of others. So, if you'd like to learn how this works, then join the growing number of manufacturers that are going smart and give us a call today. We'd be happy to welcome you to the new world of smart factory logistics.